Welcome to lesson 23. In this lesson, we will design the subjects form, which allows users to manage subjects offered by each department in the teacher management system. The subjects form allows users to enter subject details, associate each subject with a department, and perform CRUD operations. This form is essential for organizing academic structure. To build the subjects form, we need a text box for the subject name and a drop down list to select the department. We also include save, update, delete, and clear buttons for CRUD operations. A grid view is used to display all subjects. It should also show the department name for clarity. Users can select a record for editing, and you may enable paging or sorting if needed. A clean layout places form fields at the top, action buttons in the middle, and the grid view at the bottom. This structure keeps the form organized and easy to navigate. To populate the department drop-down, load the department list from the BLL and bind it on page load. Use department ID as the value field and department name as the display text. Design your form with usability in mind. Use labels for clarity, align controls neatly, group related fields, and provide validation messages to guide the user. Styling enhances the user experience. Use CSS for spacing and alignment, apply consistent fonts, highlight important buttons, and keep the design simple and clean. In summary, the subject's form UI is now designed with all necessary fields and controls. In the next lesson, we will implement CRUD operations for subjects. If you have questions about designing the subjects form or want help arranging your UI, let us go through them now.